Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is all about how we are celebrating Shan's birthday. So आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही स्पेशल है मेरे लिए क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आज तो शैन का बर्थडे है तो यार उससे बढ़िया कोई दिन हो नहीं सकता मेरे लिए. एंड सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल वी हैव बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग हिज बर्थडे टुगेदर फॉर लाइक 3 years. बट कभी भी मैं 12 o'clock को इन पर्सन उनको विश कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ क्योंकि यार वो आ जाते हैं 12 बजे मेरे घर पे विश करने के लिए. बट मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता है वो, तो हम जा नहीं पाते. बट हम लोग इस बार एक फैमिली टूर में गए थे. सो वहाँ से हम लोग रिटर्न कर रहे थे कल रात 12 बजे. वी वर ऑन द ट्रेन. सो आई कुड एक्चुअली विश हिम in person at 12 o'clock. So it was very special for me. And उसका वीडियो भी हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. एक्चुअली अभी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि वो आए एंड विल गो फॉर लंच बिकॉज दोनों ने अभी ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया है. हम लोग सुबह ही लौटे हैं एंड वी वर एक्सट्रीमली टायर्ड सो वी बोथ जस्ट वेंट टू स्लीप. देन अभी वो आएंगे, हम लोग पहले लंच पे जाएंगे एंड देन विल कम बैक होम एंड देन विल डू समथिंग, सम गेम टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग. एंड उसके बाद हम लोग रात में और एक सरप्राइज़ है. तो लेट्स सी whether he likes it or not. I'm trying my best to make it special for him, but for now you guys have to go and watch what was his reaction at 12 o'clock because he was completely sleeping at that time. और मैं ना ऐसे उसके मुंह पे पूरा फ्लैश मार के मतलब उसका नींद पूरा ख़राब कर दी. ठीक है, so you guys need to go and watch this. So let's just rewind back to what happened yesterday night. So guys, it's 12 and I'll call him. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dear Bosh. He was sleeping. But क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. ओके सो गाइस, बैक टू रियलिटी. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं लंच करने और उनको पता नहीं कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं लंच करने. सो दिस टाइम आई एक्चुअली हैव टू गिव हिम करेक्ट डायरेक्शंस. हाँ, सो या लेट्स सी उनको पसंद आता है कि नहीं लंच. बट वी हैव प्लान्ड टू टेक अ वेरी लाइट लंच दिस टाइम. तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं कहाँ?
खाना खाने.
लंच. वेयर? आई वॉक इन टू अ प्लेस एंड डजंट नो द प्लेस नेम. सो अभी हम लोग थोड़ा कम खाएंगे ताकि हम लोग फुल ना हो जाए. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गोना ऑर्डर. व्हाट इज दिस?
इंडी बाजार.
He thinks this is peri peri masala.
This is very good.
No, it's not.
You're insane.
It's nice. We have ordered the fries. उसका नाम हम लोग भूल गए हैं.
Very tasty.
Very tasty. This cheese sauce is very nice. And finally this is fajita pizza. Fajita fry. हाँ. This looks so yummy guys. टेस्ट करके बोलो कैसे. प्लेट में सो चीज़ी है. Bring the plate. How is it? अच्छा. ओके सो गाइस, हम लोग को भी खाना कंप्लीट करना है.
It's game time.
Hello. Are you ready for some game?
Yes.
Okay, so the rule of this game is you have 6 questions, okay? And out of the 6 questions, 4 of them have some gifts, okay?
Okay.
And you have to get obviously all the 6 right because you don't know which 4 have the gifts and which 2 don't.
Yeah.
And also you have advantage. That is, you have 2 hints. So if you think you have doubt in some question, तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि मुझे हिंट चाहिए, तो आपको ऐसे 2 क्वेश्चन में मैं हिंट दे दूंगी. ठीक है, अगर आप सही बोले तो वो गिफ्ट आपका. और जब एक प्रॉब्लम है, मैं वो बाद में आ रही हूँ, वो प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जब उस वाले क्वेश्चन आएंगे तब मैं बता दूंगी. ओके, सो आर यू रेडी?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first question is, what was the first movie that we watched together in theater?
First movie.
And also you can't give multiple answers कि मैं यहाँ पे ना बोल रहा, and you will be like दूसरा option no.
First movie we watched.
You
That
al-
one.
You also have hints if you don't think that you know the answer correctly.
I know the answer, but I would love to have a hint.
You have only 2 hints. Okay.
Fine.
So hint is, I'll give you 3 options, and out of them 1 is the answer. Okay. 1 is Tadap.
Hmm.
2 is Suryavanshi.
Hmm.
3 is Bunty or Bubbly 2.
Bunty or Bubbly 2.
Sure.
Yeah.
Answer is right. So you get 1 gift, which is this.
Oh shit. Can I open it?
Yes. फाड़ भी सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है.
The straps. Thank you.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. So then we go to the next question. Okay. So next question is, my favorite, listen carefully, okay? My favorite ice cream flavor is dash, but when I'm tired, I would prefer to have dash. So there are 2 flavors of ice cream, okay, here. So what's the answer?
First is chocolate, second is 2 in 1.
Yes! But unfortunately, there's no gift for this. So you just get good wishes from me. That's it. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, this one is the question जिसका गिफ्ट में थोड़ा इशू है, मगर है गिफ्ट. ठीक है. So first let me see if you get it correct, then only I will tell. Okay. Okay. I know you will get this right. So we met in college, right? So what was my roll number in first year and in second year?
First year was 1.
Okay.
Second year was 28.
Yes. Now the answer is obviously right, and you also got the gift. But मैंने gift order किया था, ठीक है? और ये भी मत बोलना कि भाई मैंने आज 2 दिन पहले ऑर्डर किया था, मैंने 1 महीना पहले ऑर्डर किया था. Okay. But since it's not from here, so it got stuck. But yesterday it came to India. Okay.
Bro, what?
Yeah. So I was so happy yesterday कि यार मुझे लगा कि वो स्टक हो गया, मतलब 7 दिसंबर के बाद कोई अपडेट ही नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं पूरा गया भाई, ये तो गया, मुझे श्योर था. बट कल रात को when I was in the train, I saw that it came in India. Okay. So the gift, I can just show you a screenshot and you can just see it on the camera what it is. Okay.
The controllers. Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you.
You like it?
Yes, I like it so much. Thank you.
And also you don't have only one controller, just
Yes,
tell them that.
we have 2 controllers. One for me, one for her.
Because he would not take one controller.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next question is, okay, name any one food that I'm allergic to.
Brinjal.
One more I would ask from you.
Peanuts.
Very good. Okay. So you get another gift here, and that's this.
I think I know this.
Please don't say you know it.
Boxes.
I will just come in a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Will you open it? I am back. Can you open it or I have to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's fine. Yay. Yeah.
I have a
It's a
knife.
gym belt. Oh. Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. The second last question. So that means one more question has no answer. Means no gift. Sorry, no answer. Nahi. And one has gift. Okay. When was our first ever friendly outing? Just you and me. I mean,
outing.
no other friend was there. You can just keep this aside for now. Just you and me, but a friendly outing.
Friendly out. Can I get a hint?
Okay, you can get. This was the last hint. Okay.
Yeah.
So there are three options. First one is Eco Park.
Hmm.
Second one is 2021 Pujo Novami.
Hmm.
And third is Downtown Mall. He's still confused.
Yeah. I think it's 2021 Pujo Navami.
Right. But you have no gift.
Oh, I used the hint on the wrong question.
Yes. Huh. So let's see which question is left. You have just one more question left. This is done. This is also done. Yeah. This one is nice. It is one of my favorite questions. And I know he knows the answer. If he doesn't know the answer, he's not getting the gift anyways. So, where did we have our first conversation ever? It's a tricky question, okay?
First
Conversation ever.
Like,
I know he will give an answer which will be wrong. बोलो मुझे पता है तुम क्या बोलोगे.
yeah, I think in college only.
हाँ, in college where? Particularly in a place.
So you were sitting in the back bench, last bench. That one.
No.
Okay. Then
मैं क्यों हिंट दे रही हूँ bro? बोलो इसमें गिफ्ट भी है.
so that was the first time
Okay,
we
fine.
even spoke to you.
This no, that was not the first time we spoke. Okay.
Okay. In
I
the
am giving
chemistry
him
lab.
the hint because it's his birthday. So चलता है. ठीक है. I'm giving you the hints. Listen carefully. This is hints are also tricky. Okay. Chemistry lab, physics lab, library. He will say one thing. अच्छा बोलो पहले.
Chemistry lab.
Sure.
It's a library.
Sure.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Physics lab.
Yes.
Physics
So the
lab.
conversation was in physics lab to go to the library. That's why I said it was tricky.
Okay. I
It was
remember
in
the
physics lab.
library.
Yeah, that's why I said it's tricky. So do you still want the gift?
Obviously.
But why should I give you the gift?
Please. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So your last and final gift comes here.
Chotu.
Yellow knife if you need it. I have wrapped this so well. You have no idea. This is completely deformed paper. Look, I am helping you.
What? I know which one.
How
Black
do you know?
color.
Black color.
I think that's it.
Let's see.
Black color couple watch.
Black color? No, that's not a couple watch. It's only for you. Only for you, yeah.
I thought it's a couple.
No, it's not a couple watch.
Wow. Same. Thank you.
I would want you to wear it now.
Lensoli. Okay. Let's open this up.
You first take it out from this cushion, na?
It's locked in here. How can you take it out from?
I have taken it out ना. I went to the shop also. इसको start करवाना पड़ता है. मुझे पता ही नहीं था. मुझे जो the delivery guy told me कि इसमें बैटरी नहीं है मैडम, आपको लगाना पड़ेगा. तो मैं दुकान में गई बैटरी लगाने. तो वो बोलता है कि ये तो लॉक है, इसमें बैटरी पहले से ही है, लॉक अनलॉक करना पड़ेगा. तो वो अनलॉक करके मुझे दिया. You can obviously cut it according to your.
Like this way. Ooh.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Thank you.
How much?
Very much. Very, very special gifts you got for me. Thank you.
So this comes to the end of our gifts session.
Gift Q&A.
So there is one more surprise for you, which is at night.
Okay.
But उसके पहले हम लोग बहुत tired है, so we'll just take some rest, and then we'll get ready, and we'll go to the other surprise, the last surprise. Okay? So bye. हम लोग अभी कैब का वेट कर रहे हैं, और इनको कोई आइडिया नहीं हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं. आपको पता है? No. So we are waiting. Okay, so अब बताओ आपको क्या लग रहा है हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मुझे नहीं पता. कहीं तो बुफे खाने ले जा रहे हैं.
हाँ बट कहाँ पे? वो तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया कि बुफे है.
कहाँ ही होगा? पॉपुलर किसी चेन में होगा, मुझे नहीं पता यार. मुझे नहीं पता.
कुछ क्या ही बोलूँ यार. अभी भी आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है?
ना.
इतना रास्ता आ गया, अभी भी समझ नहीं आ रहा.
ना. I'm not
Hopeless.
even trying.
Yeah, that's good actually. You should not try. I want you to be surprised. Okay, so guys, हम लोग next vlog करेंगे जब हम लोग वहाँ पे पहुँच जाएंगे. His reaction. So, where have we come?
ITC.
So, did you expect this?
जरूरत है इतना पैसा खर्चा करने का.
तुझ पे खर्चा कर रही हूँ मैं.
नहीं बोलूं.
अरे तेरा बर्थडे है ब्रो. That's one of the best days of the year. तो मेरे बर्थडे पे अच्छा कुछ करना, जैसे तुमने किया लास्ट. So अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं फाइनली, and yep, we're there. Bye.
One eternity later.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you.
Which one?
So guys, we have completed the day. So how was your day?
Very good. Thank you.
So I guess he liked. And he's
Definitely
not
liked.
kidding. And he's not joking. क्योंकि यार बहुत मेहनत किया था. कुछ मतलब मेहनत जितना I did to plan it, उससे ज़्यादा मेहनत इसको नहीं बोलना. Because I just say everything. So it was very difficult to hide it for 1 month. So okay, that's how we end his birthday vlog. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Tata.